Hey, if you want to find and manage sound settings on Nothing Phone 2a Plus, first of all you will have to open settings, and right here you can find all sound and vibration options. And take a look. First of all, we can adjust media volume by using the sliders. The same you can do with the ring, notification and alarm. Below we can find the Do Not Disturb mode. Right here we can find function flip to glyph. So basically we'll have to put the device with the glyph interface face up on a flat surface to trigger silent and lights only notifications and calls. Right here we can change ringtones, and we've got also option to pick the custom ringtones. The same, it looks for notification sound. Right here we can find alarm sound. We can find live caption. There's also media player. We can get this enhanced audio. We get dial pad tones, screen locking sound, charging sound, screenshot, and we can always show an icon when we are in the vibrate mode. Thanks for watching.